Introducing an app for leak detection and inspection professionals that's designed to make your life easier. Write thorough findings reports right from your iOS device and deliver them to your customer complete with one click. Here's how. Gathering data about your job is important. When you deliver your findings to your customer, remembering all the details, providing photos, and preparing your report can mean revisiting notes, sorting through photos on your device, and having to recall the exact details of what you found. LeakTronics has created an app that collects the data as you work. Write notes, take pictures, and record your findings as they happen and easily send an email of your complete report right to the customer in seconds. With preset questions that answer everything the customer needs to know and one-touch photo attachments, your report is ready as soon as the job is done. Stay organized and keep all the important information on your job in one place with the new app from LeakTronics. The new Contractor's Reporting app is included with all of LeakTronics' complete training packages. To learn more, visit LeakTronics.com today.